You may want to disable or turn off a vanish mode on your Instagram account. This is a very simple process. The first step is to open the chat that has vanish mode enabled. What you need to do is you need to grab it and pretty much bring it all the way up to the top, and you will see you will immediately get out of vanish mode. Now, if you want to get back into vanish mode, it is the exact same process. So all you have to do is grab it like this. So grab it like this and you will see this little toggle come up at the bottom and keep going until it goes into a full circle. And now when you let go, it'll go into vanish mode. Now all the messages here will pretty much be deleted once you go through all that good stuff. You guys already know. Now to get out of vantage mode again, you want to go swipe up and you'll see that little circle start to populate. Keep going until it fully goes through and then you're pretty much out of vanish mode. So that's pretty much the outro process. That's how to do it. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. And more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.